Welcome back, everybody. I missed one of my Q&As. There wasn't really a lot of good content to go over for that, so I'm back now. And this episode is dedicated to those of us, myself included, who spend more time looking at what's going on in the background of some of these videos than what's happening in the foreground. So the topic overall is engines, and you've seen the Sabre in the background. This is a crash recovered Sabre, and you've probably seen our Merlin as well. Information has been provided on those, and in various episodes, and there'll be more to come on the Merlin, of course. But before I go any farther than those two engines, I'd like to bring your attention to this book, The Secret Horsepower Race from Callum Douglas. Callum's helped us out with some information in the past, and I had to buy this book because of the in-depth detail that he's gone into on it. I find it really hard to find books that have the details that I'm looking for. A lot of them kind of skim over and don't want to go too far into the really small, fine details of what was going on. But this is absolute opposite. It's a fantastic book. I'm not done it yet, but if you want all the finite details of what was going on during the war with the development of piston engines, this is the book. And please help him out. He's done a wonderful job with it, and I'd love to send some business his way if we can help out. So Sabre and Merlin, two big engines in the shop, but a couple of you with the keen eye have also seen that in the background we have a, I don't know what the condition is really, but it's inhibited at the moment, completely preserved, covered in, I don't know what, I don't know if it's lanolin or what, but it's goopy, and it's not going to corrode at all. And it's a inverted six-cylinder. It's a Alfa Romeo 115T, which is a license-built copy of the de Havilland Gypsy Queen. So I'll take you back there now and show it to you. So this engine isn't something that's really prominently displayed in the shop. I've just kind of tucked it away and for the most part kept it out of my main working areas here. But here it is. They've really done a fantastic job of preserving it. My understanding is the crankcase is actually a magnesium crankcase. But as you can see, it's just maybe a little bit too well preserved. There's a lot of whatever they've put on this. I don't know if that's lanolin. Some of you guys can probably help out. These are the engine mounts. Ugh, so gross. These are the engine mounts sitting there, and as you can see, it is an inverted six-cylinder engine, and it's currently sitting upside down. I don't know too much about this engine. It's like I say, Alfa Romeo. It was an opportunity that I had to pick it up, and I didn't want to see it just disappear forever. I'm hoping that we can find somebody that could use this engine and put it to good use and maybe help tell the story of it better than I can. So it's one of those things. I bought it as hopefully save it from disappearing forever and potentially use it as an item to help advance the Typhoon rebuild here. So if anybody's aware of people that need this, please pass it on to them. We'll do whatever we can to make sure that it gets a good home, and likewise to make sure that the Typhoon project advances as quickly as possible. There you go, guys. That's the mystery engine. It's a mystery no more. It's an Alfa Romeo 115T. And I don't know much more than that about it, to be honest with you. But it is here, and hopefully with your guys' connections and your eyeballs on it, we can find somebody that needs it and can advance a display that will be in the public view that otherwise would sit quiet. And by doing so, with luck, we'll be able to also help the airworthy rebuild of Hawker Typhoon JP843. So for our episodes, please head over to YouTube or our paid subscription channel and hit subscribe for the YouTube channel. It's absolutely free and it goes a long way to helping us. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to start releasing merchandise that you can buy directly through YouTube. So every little bit helps, every subscription helps, and we really appreciate all the support that we're getting. Thank you guys so much. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.